In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Minecraft error code drowned. Now to fix this, first of all, what we want to try is simply open up our Minecraft launcher. In here, click up here, log out, and then log into your account again. Now see if it works just by logging in and out. If it still doesn't work, what we can do is close this down, come down here and search for run, type in %local app data %, press OK. In here we want to find the packages folder, open it, scroll all the way down until you find Microsoft.xbox.identityprovider, this one. Open it up, go into AC, token broker, and delete everything you have in here. Now don't worry, it's gonna regenerate itself when we play Minecraft, so it's safe to delete it. So delete everything inside the token broker in your Xbox identity provider. Now once you've deleted this, what you can do is come down here, right click on your internet, open network, and then change adapt options. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is right click on your internet, disable, and then right click enable. This will just quickly reset your internet and it can help fix the issue. Now after that, what you want to do is come down here and search for services, open up services, and in here what you want to do is scroll all the way down until we find Xbox. So look for Xbox right here, and you should have 4. If you have more than these 4, it's fine as well. What you want to do is you want to double click, change this to automatic, apply, OK, and then double click again and start. Now wait for this to start, press OK, and then do the exact same thing for all of these. So double click, change to automatic, apply OK, close it, double click start, and then do it for these as well. Now once you've done this for all 4, what you can do is restart your PC and it should work. Now as a last resort, if it still doesn't work, what you can try is come here for network, reset now, and then restart your PC and it might work. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.